Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you useful steps on how to make your PC run faster. Okay, so let's get started. First is you need to search for control panel at the bottom search bar. And then once the best match appeared here, just double tap to open or you can simply go with here. Okay, so the moment the control panel items is open, just go for the power options. If you don't see any here, just go or if you go with large icons, just go with the small icons so that you can see all of this. And here you just have to go for power options. Okay? If you don't see any of the choices or options here, just go for choose what the power buttons do. And here next to this, I'm sure that in your laptop it has this faster boot. Okay, just simply activate that and saved changes. Okay, next is let me close this. We need to search for SAMD or the command prompt. Please type SAMD and then run as administrator. And then your user account control will ask you to say yes, just go with this. Okay, here you need to type sfc space / scan now. This will scan your system and will delete all the junk files. Okay, this process will take some time, maybe 5 to 10 minutes, depending on your machine. Now it's starting on scanning or do verification in my system. As of now, it goes with 2%. Okay? Once you're done with this, just simply reset your computer. And once you resetted your computer, let's go to the next step, which is to press Windows and R key together, then type clean mgr, then click on OK. Okay, once you click OK, this new window will appear, and this cleanup under this, you can see junk files that is created by your system and not by you. So basically, this is harmless. This will not delete the data that you have created. This will just clean the bugs, junk files present in your computer. Just have to mark this checked and click OK. In my case, my system or my machine will free up to 295 megabyte of size. So in your case, it might be larger than that. Just have to click on OK. This will surely free up space in your computer to make it perform better. Okay? So it will start on cleaning all the program files, internet files, junk files in your system. Just skip those files in use and wait for it to be done. Okay? So once it's done, we need to go to the forward arrow here. And as you can see, it has the shield icon. Simply click that. Okay? And the moment you click the shield icon, you will be redirected to your Windows security. Okay, let's just wait for a while first. Once you are being redirected to this Windows security, please go to the left side and go to this virus and threat protection below or next to home. Here, you need to do quick scan. This will scan all the current threats in your computer. This will take some time, 3 to 5 minutes, and this will protect surely your computer from any threats or viruses or infections in your computer. Okay? So let's just wait for everything for the files to be scanned. Okay. Okay, I guess I will not proceed further along. I'll just scan this letter. Let me just show you the next step, which is to go for Google Chrome. Simply double tap to open your Google Chrome. Okay, so once it is being opened, go to the upper right side of your screen and click the three dots here to see more and go for extensions. Here, it has these two options. Go to the first one, manage extensions. Once you're being redirected to the extensions, here under all extensions, you need to make sure that unwanted sources or applications present here must be removed. I mean, you need to identify those sources that you no longer needed because that will just make your computer perform slower. Okay, in my case, I have only one, which is Google Docs Offline. So if you want to remove any of those or particular extensions, just click on removed and it will be completely removed. Okay? After that, let's go back to the three dots again and this time we will be going to settings. Click open and once you are being redirected to the settings, look at the left side of it and go to reset settings. Here, we need to go for this. And don't worry, I want to assure you that the bookmarks, history, and saved password won't be affected when you reset the settings. This will only reset some Chrome settings, disable extensions, and delete cookies and other site data in your Google Chrome. Okay? Just simply click on reset and you're good to go. Okay? So the next and last step that I'm gonna recommend you, the best practice is to update your Windows. How? Just search for Windows Update here and go to the best match. Click on open and once you're being redirected to the settings, just simply update the settings to the latest version. I mean, update your Windows to the latest version. Sorry for that. Okay. So, those are the steps on how to free up space, make your computer faster, and perform better. Hopefully, those steps are very useful to you. Probably, I mean, definitely those are very helpful to your computer. Hopefully, this video helps you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.